Well, it's the Bullnose to the rescue. I took the dog and the Explorer out today and went on the beach. Goofed around for a little bit. It's hot today. Cold at the beach, hot today out here. Anyways, went to the beach, had some fun. I had one problem with the Explorer, and it was actually fairly simple and could have been avoided if I would have installed it properly, but I didn't know how it goes. The clutch line shifted a little bit and touched the exhaust, and yeah, it popped. And so I was able to float the gears to a Napa Auto Parts, and well, obviously got it off the beach, got to a Napa, which was luckily really close in town from where I was at. And I tried to fix it, and they didn't have a new line, and I know doing that whole, that's just, I was like, I called my dad, I was like, hey Dad, blew the clutch line on the Explorer and kind of stuck here. So luckily he was in town, and today's Sunday, by the way. He was in town and wasn't doing anything, and so he got in Mom's car and come and saved me and Mac, my dog. That's actually my mom's dog, but I call him my dog. But I brought him over, you know, for a little bit, and thought we'd go to the beach, and nope, I caused a breakdown. So, well, anyways, he came and picked us up, and well, I'm here now. I got the tow dolly, got the truck. The truck's got a full tank. It's hot as hell out. I'm sweating. Gotta go. Man, I sure hope that's cleared up on my way back. There's a head-on collision a few miles back. Go figure. Hey, look! It's still there. So this is what I'm thinking. This is going this way, coming downhill. So I think I'm gonna back it out the way it came, and then just let it roll. And then I've got my come along, so I'll get it up against the ramps, and then I can easily put it on this guy. I'll get the chains off of that and go get my rig and put it on the dolly. Let me look at how we're here. We're pretty much even. I'm gonna leave the come along on there like that. Alright, we're on. Not too bad. Pretty damn straight. Alright. We're all hooked up. Let's head her on out. Ooh, I need tags. Totally forgot about that. Whoops. Yeah. Get them soon. So I've got, these are all working. I bought these from U-Haul. These are actually really nice. They're pretty good. I want to replace them with LEDs though. But yeah, ready to rock. And just run the cord. I hate having this stuff dangling, so I leave it right here. I could probably take some zip ties and just tie it here. And I run it under here, under here. I would like to put a loop, like a little springy loop thing, so this will go through, and then it'll have something to support it instead of just off the jacket in here. Especially if it's a hot day, because that jacket's some support. Okay, well, my let me put my running lights on and make sure we're all good. That cab light there was working and then it stopped. I was like, buddy. Running lights, running lights, running light. I need to get a splitter for that. Thought about wiring another plug in there so we can tap another circuit in, because what I would like to have is this dolly plugged in at the same time. So, and then I got to fix the lights on that side. So I'll probably be doing a video on cleaning this thing up, making it look nice. So yeah, okay. I'm gonna go around the parking lot and give her the old tug test and make sure we're all good. Let's just verify. I got all the chains and everything on, all the clasps are hooked up. E-brake's off. We're out of gear. We'll know if we're not in gear. Alright. Let's go. Trailer brakes work. Hang on, I gotta fuck with my Bluetooth here. Yes, I can go out this way. Perfect. Put the key in the ignition so the Explorer's steering wheel won't get all messed up. When it goes to turn, I know that the dolly can steer, but I don't want any tension being put on the Explorer's steering wheel. Okay, here it goes. She's getting dark. Thank you, Napa, for letting me leave my pile of crap here. That's not a pile of crap, it just had a part installed wrong. Thanks, Jimmy. About home here. I'm gonna just do a California stop there. It's a little 4BT, might not be fast, but man, she did it. And I gotta service the clutch on this thing too. I've actually had a leak for the last year and a half, and I need to address that. I'll go to Adam park in the spot. I'm just gonna park this conglomeration right in the freaking yard, and I'm going to bed. Oh, the e-brake holds all of that. That's awesome. All right, I'm done.